video. So today we are going to be installing Windows 10, and not like the new version. No, we're going to be installing the original one from 2015. This is going to be so exciting. So yeah, let's just go. First we're going to click new, and we're just going to give it a name. Oh yeah, I gotta remember this is not a VirtualBox tutorial video. Okay, alright. Its name's just gonna be come on. Okay, it's just gonna be Windows 10. Not sure whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm just gonna go 64-bit. 2048 megabytes. Why not? 50 gigs. And actually, the reason I can't set it to 4096 is because, well, I have kind of a crappy laptop, and that only has like 8 gigs of RAM. And when you go into the 4000, it starts to get into the orange. So yeah. But trust me, my iMac is way better at this. Alright, disk size, 50 gigs. That's good. And finish. Settings. Storage. Just choose this. And start. Now it says it's supposed to run at like 4096 gigs. With 4096 gigs, like at the least, it runs pretty smoothly. So, but I only give it 2048 because once again, crappy laptop. So yeah, it will run a little slow. Okay, we're gonna start English United States, of course. Install now. 1 second. Okay, so now here's the product key activation segment. If you remember in Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, there was no skip button. At least I don't think. I don't think there was a skip button. You had to enter a product key. So I just used ones from Microsoft website just to install it. I didn't really have to activate it. So we're just going to choose skip for this one. For the version, we're going to choose Windows 10 Home for this one. I accept the license terms. And we're going to do custom, do that, drive 0, and it is now going to copy files, get files ready for installation, install features, install updates, and get finished, I guess. So yeah, let's just do this. Alright, so it needs to restart to continue, so let's just restart. We're not going to press any key, as that will take us right back to square one. I really need to get a new chair. If you can hear, it's kind of squeaky. I mean, it's to be expected. I think this one's from the 50s or so. So it is pretty, it's 70 years old, so yeah. I definitely do need to get a new chair. But anyways, yeah. It's now getting our devices ready. Not our. Getting the devices ready. I don't know which devices, but getting the devices ready. Now it's just getting ready. While I was just doing that, I'm just going to switch my chair because this is finally aged. So, yeah. Alright, so I upgraded my chair. Can't see it, but it's way younger and feels cooler. Oh, and the VM is restarted. Once again, we're not going to press any key. It's just going to restart now. Okay, so it is a little different than the modern setup. You know, the setup. It's a little different than the modern setup. It's time to enter the product key. Do this later. Get going fast. Do this later. Customize settings. Personalization, of course. No. 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 Next. Why not? Next. Just a moment. Hi. We're setting things up for you. Getting critical updates. You know, when I installed Windows 8 and 8.1, the screen was kind of like rainbow. Like it was, but now it's just blue. Kind of boring, but oh well. Oh, back in a moment. Just a moment. I don't know what's going on here, but is it gonna finally boot? Okay, boot screen. Squished boot screen. Just a moment. Make it yours. Well, few. We could skip this step. In later versions, you can't, I don't think. Create an account for this PC. Who's gonna use this PC? Well, me, of course. Make it secure. Would never guess, huh? Alright. There. That was my password. Oh, I can see. Oh, hi. We're back here again. We're setting things up for you. Please hurry up. This won't take long. Oh, I bet it won't. Setting up the bloatware. What I like about this release is the background. It was like, did you know it was actually like real? Like, yeah, it wasn't CG. No, it wasn't. It's not CGI. It's literally real. Yeah, and to be honest, I like that. But the later background included in 20H2 and onwards, that was CGI. Taking care of a few things. Oh yeah, and this one had the live tiles. Yeah, remember those? Yeah, from Windows 8. Yeah, they're back. So, but this release, oh, this release had a normal start menu, and here we are. No. Here we are, the original Windows 10, not the new version, the original one from 2015. Oh, everything's so just good. Racism. Well, anyways, let's check the news. Still in the old Metro style, too. Just noticed. Let's check the news. Hunter Biden. Is that Joe Biden's brother? Oh. Well, bye-bye, Joe Biden. Now, let's end it here before this gets political. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching our 20th episode spectacular. Or sorry, my 20th episode spectacular. Yeah, we've officially hit 20 episodes. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.